up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, if you're old, welcome. In today's video, I am doing a specialty drink for you guys. I love margaritas, but I was at this restaurant one time and I had a spicy margarita for the first time, and y'all, it was so good. So I wanted to try to make one. And this is how mine turned out. I hope you guys try it. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's just get right into this next video.